Brad Hall here, and today I've got this giant tube sitting right in front of me. Adidas sent me this tube, and I have a pretty good idea of what pair of shoes is inside, but this is a giant tube. There's gotta be more than a pair of shoes in here. We are gonna find out exactly what's inside in just a little bit, so stay tuned. I'm working with Adidas on this video, and they told me what pair of shoes they were going to send me, so I won't be guessing the pair of shoes inside of here. This show, it's all about fairness. I don't want to pad my stats by pretending I don't know what's inside and just giving my record a little bit of a boost. That record is improving on its own constantly, so I don't need to cheat. Now, I wasn't expecting Adidas to send this giant tube. I was expecting a box, specifically a shoe box, but this enormous tube showed up, and there is more than likely something more inside of here. So that's what I'm going to be guessing today. What's inside of this giant tube on top of the pair of shoes? The clues that I'm working with on this, I know there's a pair of running shoes in here. The outside of the tube, it also mentions running. And then of course it has to fit into this giant tube. I know that much. When I think of things that go into a tube like this, I immediately think of a poster. So I am gonna guess that there is some kind of promotional poster inside that features me to really get people excited about this shoe. That is my guess. Pair of shoes with a promotional poster featuring me. Let's see if I'm right. I'm gonna pop the top on this tube right now. It's a real feat of strength here, which is no problem for me. Here we go, the big reveal. And let's see, there we go. No poster, but there is a pair of shoes. It says the Adidas 4D FWD forward, maybe. That's my guess. 3D printed midsole. It harnesses the impact of each foot strike as you run. It converts that pressure into forward motion. So I was right about FWD being short for forward. Let's take a closer look. Let's get these here in the camera. That's nice. Oh yeah, that's nice. I like that. So this is the Adidas 4D Forward 2. Looks to be a combination of prime knit and mesh on this upper. On the sole, you've got that continental rubber. Let's see if I can get that in the camera. That's gonna give you really nice grip down there. That continental rubber. Of course, the most interesting thing about this shoe is that midsole. This is the 3D printed midsole, and I believe this is the second generation of this. So it does say this is the second generation 4D midsole, and it generates over 3 times as much forward motion under vertical loading in mechanical testing conditions. So I think what it's saying, when your foot goes down, this thing just shoots it forward. Instead of stopping it, when it hits the ground, it just shoots you forward, kind of like that. That was maybe a little bit of an extreme example, but I think you get the idea. To put it in car terms, imagine you're driving, you want to stop, you hit the brakes. Instead of those brakes stopping you, they shoot you forward even faster. That's what this shoe is like, a really dangerous car. Another cool thing about this shoe that it's 40% natural and renewable materials with this midsole. That is very cool. On top of that, the upper, it's also made with recycled materials. So let me try these on. I'm gonna see what that experience is like on foot. Very nervous that it might, well, I don't wanna go flying with these on. So I guess let's see. Let's take little steps at first. They're very springy, a very cushioned but responsive ride. Like the way they feel Very nice. So unfortunately, I didn't get this one right. There was no poster in this tube. It was just the Adidas 4D Forward 2. Thanks everyone for watching. Hopefully next time we'll get that record going in the right direction.